In what appears to be letting the cat out of the bag, Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei has told broad-based partners, ODM, that the President and Deputy President slots are not available. In response to ODM's demand for Deputy President slot come 2027, Cherargei said the slots were non-negotiable. Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, who was at the event, however, cautioned against political statements which he said risk dividing the country. Ayub Abdikadir with that report.
In what appears a response to the Orange Democratic Movement, Nandi Senator Samson Cherargei said the positions of the presidency and the deputy presidency are non-negotiable, expressing support for the current status quo.
Kwa sababu ya shukrani yetu kwa kusimama na kijana yetu Rais William Ruto. So I want to tell wenzangu, kama ni wale tuko broad base, kama ni wale wanataka tufanye kazi pamoja, viti yote mbili ya juu ya rais na deputy shaenda. So jipange, labda waombe ile ya kanisa ama sijui ya gani, but they should watafute ingine. Kwa sababu hii yako ni assured.
DJ, hapana lete mchanganyiko.
Remarks that bear all the political possibilities of causing a rift and endanger the broad-based arrangement. During the church service, however, the deputy president steered clear of the topic, instead using the occasion warning against political talk he said borders on threatening national unity.
Kama kiongozi wetu amefanya bidii kuhakikisha kila sehemu ya Kenya wanajisikia wao ni sehemu ya maana ya Kenya, isipokuwa mtu amezaliwa wapi, ni wa kabila gani, ni wa dini gani, ni wa rangi gani.
Kindiki cautioning against political talk he said risks slowing down the government from accomplishing planned projects.
But for now, we remain focused in doing the right thing, building our country, accounting for our time in office, and supporting our president, who is the vision bearer and the carrier of our country's unity.
In Wajir County, health CS Adan Duale accused the opposition of lacking an alternative plan.
And I think this is what the problem in Kenya. William Ruto wants to move Kenya from third world to first world. He has a plan, he has a program, and he has the will and the commitment under his government.
The former Garissa Township MP saying President William Ruto will be judged by his scorecard in the 2027 presidential contest.
And the Somali community, Mr. President, you brought back our dignity. You brought back and created equality for the people of Kenya. And come 2027, we want to urge our people to register en masse so that we can pay for the dignity that you brought back to our communities as Muslims and as the Somali community.
Ayub Abdikadir, Citizen TV.